Hello everyone, welcome back to yet another video, and this time I'm making this video at the Leela, Mumbai. So recently on my trip to Mumbai I decided to have a stay at the Leela, and आज का video है about the breakfast that I had at Leela. So this breakfast was at Citrus restaurant, and breakfast जो था वो मेरे staycation के package में included था. And look at the aesthetics of this place. I mean, you guys are gonna love this. ये जो छोटा सा एक वाटरफॉल है, इसकी कंसिस्टेंटली आवाज़ आती रहती है जो बहुत ही सुंदर है. एंड there's a central dome like structure, मतलब टिपिकल आपको एक राजस्थानी कल्चरल वाइब्स देता है इसका लॉबी एरिया. एंड बीच में there's a huge chandelier. I mean, it's spectacular. और ये ऊपर गोल्डन डोम स्ट्रक्चर बना हुआ है. I mean, it's like a best picturesque place. Obviously. I was searching for the best of the tables, and finally walking up, I got a table right there in front in the corner. And
we can sit. Can we sit there at the corner like that?
And even the best part is कि ये सारे विंडोज़ ट्रांसपेरेंट होने की वजह से आपको बाहर का सीन बहुत अच्छे से दिखाई देता है. एंड बाहर का सीन प्रोमिनेंटली इट्स वेरी वेरी लाइक ग्रीनरी इज़ देयर, एंड आपको डेंस फॉरेस्ट में बैठे हो ऐसा लगता है. सो आई गॉट दिस टेबल फॉर माई सेल्फ, टेबल नंबर 32, filled with bright light, and now I'm heading on towards the breakfast, and I'll show you all around कि क्या क्या चीज़ें हैं breakfast में, everything. So yeah, here we go. मुझे लगा थोड़ा टेबल दूर हो गया था. Okay, but I'm going to order first myself the very basic जो मुझे सबसे पहले चाहिए, that is omelette. And here's my version of omelette.
Okay, so I want cheese, mushroom, chicken omelette. Only 3 things: cheese, chicken, and mushroom.
Where are you sitting, ma'am?
Table number 32. Yeah. And do we have sausages? Chicken sausage.
Right on the buffet.
Okay, right. And 1 slice of toasted bread with this.
White brown.
White. Thank you.
Okay, इस तरफ अगर आप चाहो तो आपको बहुत सारी वेराइटीज़ मिल जाएंगी, चोकोस, ग्रैनुला एंड लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स फॉर योर ब्रेकफास्ट. देयर इज़ पॉरेज और बहुत सारे ड्राई फ्रूट्स है. यू कैन जस्ट पिक दोज ड्राई फ्रूट्स. कई सारे फ्रेश फ्रूट्स कटे हुए, यू कैन मेक अ चॉइस. देयर आर चिया सीड्स, दोज हू लव विद देयर पुडिंग. इवन होल फ्रूट्स भी है, अनकट होल फ्रूट्स. एंड यहाँ पर एक मिक्स्ड असॉर्टेड वेजिटेबल्स का बोल भी दिखा मुझे. दिस जूस मैंने आई टुक एन ऑरेंज जूस, लेकिन जो ऑरेंज जूस था वो थोड़ा मुझे कड़वा लग रहा था, बिकॉज आई थिंक वो बहुत ही लाइक ओरिजिनल जो बोलते हैं ना, जैसे आप डालते हो ऑरेंज एंड दे जस्ट कम आउट दैट वाज द रियल जूस, इसलिए उसकी वजह से कोई फिल्टर्ड नहीं था वो, उसमें शुगर तक नहीं था. सो आई फेल्ट इट अ लिटिल वियर्ड, बट या दैट वाज फ्रेश एंड नाइस. और इस तरफ थी सैलड सेक्शन. देयर वर लॉट ऑफ सैलड्स आउट देयर. Some varieties of cheese kept here. You can simply have a slice of the cheese and the biscuits. Then there were some salads. There was baked salmon and certain slices. There were also certain available dishes for preparing a khao soup for yourself, and then some veggies in the sauces. That was the whole decor, the whole kitchen area of the Citrus restaurant at the Leela. And there were some live counters as well. Apart from that, onto the side there were various varieties of Indian breakfast, from simple idli to that of idli with the gunpowder. Gunpowder wasn't much impressive though in taste, but yeah, it was available as well. So what I took was, I took an idli, dropped a teaspoon of ghee and sprinkled some nice gunpowder, along with some chutney, red chutney. And here onto the side were some bread pakoras, chole kulche, baked tomatoes. There were some beans. We had potato wedges and some tossed vegetables, mushroom and corn. There were multiple other varieties of sausages. There were pork sausage and chicken sausage as well. All right, here we come to my favorite section, that is the dessert section. There were cupcakes, there were tea cakes, and this one was my favorite, the fruit danish. And we had slices of the tea cakes,
Yes.
donuts, chocolate
Yes.
donuts, and some salted donuts with some granulas. And well, I didn't tasted these buns, don't know what they were. Oh, I tasted this one. This was a bread butter pudding, and it was so yummy, I tell you. And heading on was this kheer. This was the kheer. That's how my colorful plate looked like. I literally had one single bite of every single dish. मतलब it's kind of like थोड़ा सा प्रसाद जैसे थोड़ा थोड़ा लेते हैं, मैंने बिल्कुल वैसे ही किया. I just tried to taste. I took a pita bread, थोड़ा सा hummus, some there I had chutneys, some assorted vegetables, and I took a berry yogurt also, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. And then this bread pakoda, it was yummy too. Bread pakoda बहुत अच्छा था. So that was all about the entire breakfast spread that I had at the Leela, and I extremely enjoyed my stay there. If you loved watching this video, and if you're looking forward for a stay at Mumbai somewhere, I think the Leela will be a good option. Specifically अगर आप airport side कहीं hotel search कर रहे हो. And if you guys require any more details, drop it in the chat box. Thank you so much, and if you're new, do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.